The second generation of the Freestyle model marks a notable advancement in both performance and user experience. With an increased memory capacity, this new iteration promises faster and more seamless operation, catering to the evolving needs of its users. However, the most eye-catching addition to the Gen 2 model is undoubtedly Samsung's Gaming Hub, a revolutionary feature that brings cloud gaming to users, allowing them to enjoy their favorite games wherever they go. Samsung's initial foray into the portable projector market with the Freestyle Projector held great potential, but unfortunately, it stumbled in its execution, leaving many users disappointed due to its high price tag and underwhelming hardware specifications. Yet, hopes remained high that Samsung would learn from its mistakes and deliver a more refined product in its second attempt. However, when the revised version of the Freestyle was unveiled at CES earlier this year, it seemed that not much had changed from its predecessor. Despite the anticipation for improvements, the revisions were disappointingly minimal. The new iteration did come with Samsung's latest TV software, offering access to the Gaming Hub and various cloud gaming services from prominent players like Xbox and Nvidia. Additionally, Samsung showcased an intriguing feature called Smart Edge Blending, allowing users to combine two Freestyle projectors to create a massive 150-inch screen without the need for manual alignment. The Freestyle Gen 2 is now available for pre-order, starting at a slightly more reasonable $799 compared to the original. This price reduction, while appreciated, still positions the projector on the higher end of the portable projector market. Samsung touted that the Gen 2 boasts increased memory, promising a snappier user experience and better content consumption directly from the projector. This is a welcome development, especially for those who struggled with sluggish performance on the first-gen model. However, the most intriguing aspect of the Freestyle Gen 2, the edge blending feature, seems to have taken a backseat. The press release and product page contain no mention of this feature, leaving many to speculate on its status. The functionality was demonstrated at CES, showcasing the potential of using two projectors to create an expansive 21:9 image. Yet, upon closer inspection, it's revealed that this feature is currently limited to Samsung's SmartThings app, and not compatible with popular streaming apps like Netflix or Disney+. In the absence of the edge blending feature's wide-ranging utility, the Freestyle Gen 2 comes across as a slight rehash of its flawed predecessor. The introduction of faster hardware and the updated Samsung Solar Cell remote offer marginal improvements, but it still lacks the refinement needed to position it as a competitive portable projector. The inclusion of the Gaming Hub and the possibility of pairing a Bluetooth controller may appeal to some users, but the device still appears more like a novelty rather than a truly capable projector. For potential buyers, it might be wise to wait for substantial discounts before considering the Freestyle Gen 2. While Samsung sweetens the deal with a complimentary case for early purchasers, it remains to be seen whether this new iteration will truly deliver on its promise or fall into the same pitfalls as its predecessor. Without that, you're left with a Freestyle Gen 2 that is essentially a speed-upgraded version of the original, with the newer Samsung Solar Cell remote. Although you can pair a Bluetooth controller with the Freestyle, the Gaming Hub still seems more like a multi-purpose toy than a true projector. I'm sure there are some entertaining use cases for the Gaming Hub on the go. That might work for a lot of people, but I'd still hold out for a sizable discount before thinking about the Freestyle Gen 2. This time, Samsung is at least including a free case for early purchasers. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, then I expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.